ना तो रॉक इन द स्टार्ट भी नहीं हो रहा है यार। चुप।
तो अब कम मांग रहा हो कछु खा। Hello everyone, we have to discuss about the GS score Indian Polity Test Series 5. ऐसे खाते हैं यार, देखो कर रहा होती। और पानी कहाँ गया? हाँ कहाँ दिया पानी? कहाँ डाल रहा? Structure and functions in government. Question number 1. Consider the following statement regarding the budget in the Indian Parliament. Indian Parliament में बजट अनाउंस हुआ था. The annual financial state. ये कौन खाए वो? ये तो खाओ. हाँ. Consider the following statement regarding the budget in the Indian Parliament. The annual financial state is presented to the both House of Parliament under the Articles 112 of the Constitution. The Parliament can vote on the consolidations and Fund of India and the Contingency Fund of India. The financials bill is introduced after the approach bill is passed. Which one of the following statement is correct? अरे यार मेरे बेटे के लग गए. Is are correct. C is equal to only 1. The annual financial statement is another name and for the union budget. Articles 112 of the Constitution mandate and that the statement be presented to both House of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This statement is correct. Second, analysis. The Consolidation Fund of India (FCI) and contain all government revenue, loan and replace received. The Contingency and Fund of India (CFI) is for the emergency expenditures and is aid the disposals of the President. Parliament can vote on the expenditures and from the Consolidation Fund of India, but not on the Contingency and Fund of the India, which is used as the Parliament discretions. And let us get the replaced and view the parliamentary approach. Since the statement says Parliament vote on both funds and it is the incorrect. Analysis statement third is. The finance bill contain provisions related to taxations and other financial matters. The appropriations bill is passed and first as it is the authorized expenditures from the Consolidation Fund of India. Only after the appropriations bill is passed the financial bill is introduced. This statement is incorrect because the finance bill is introduced at the same time as the budget and not after the appropriations bill. Step 4. Eliminated incorrect option. Statement first correct but statement second and third are incorrect. The only option with and one correct and statement second and third is incorrect. Question number 2. Which of the following statement regarding a joint sitting of Parliament is correct? It is summarized and by the Prime Minister. It is chairman by the Vice President of India. It can be the called in case of the disagreement and over other money bill. It is called and ban and there is other deadlock on the on an ordinary bill. Understanding joint sitting of parliament. A joint sitting of parliament is other mechanism to resolve a deadlock between the Lok Sabhas and Rajya Sabhas over an ordinary bill. It is governed by Article 108 of the Indian Constitution. A joint sitting is presided over. A joint sitting is presided over by the Lok Sabha. Speaker of the Lok Sabha evaluating each options. It is simulated and by the Prime Minister incorrect. The President of India summons. A joint and sitting not the Prime Minister. It is declared and by the Vice President of India. Incorrect. The Vice President is the chairperson. Understanding joint sitting of parliament. A joint sitting of parliament is other mechanism to resolve a deadlock between to the Lok Sabhas and the Rajya Sabhas over and the ordinary bill. It is governed by Articles 108 of the Indian Constitution. A joint sitting is presided over by the speakers of the Lok Sabha evaluating each other. It is summarized and by the Prime Minister incorrect. The President of India and summons a joint sitting or not the Prime Minister. It is chaired by the Vice President of India incorrect. The Vice President is the chairperson of Rajya Sabha but does not the presides over the joint sittings. The speakers of the Lok Sabhas and presides over the joint sittings and if the speaker is absent and the deputy speakers of the Lok Sabhas and the presides, and if both are absent, the deputy chairpersons of the Rajya Sabha presides. It can be called in case of the disagreement over the money bill. A money bill and Article 110 and the cannot lead to other joint sittings, and the Rajya Sabha and has only other recommendatory roles in money bills, and the Lok Sabha is not the bound to the expected. It is the recommendations, and if the Rajya Sabha and does not act and within the 14 days the money bills is deemed and to be the passed. It is called and when there is other deadlock on an ordinary bill. Correct. A joint sitting is called only in the case of an ordinary bills and Article 108. The Rajya Sabha rejects the bills and Rajya Sabha does not pass the bill and for the 6 months, and this is a disagreement and between the two and houses over the amendment. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha must resign from his and the office, and his losses the memberships of the ruling parties and losses it the majority in the Lok Sabha, and his the cases to be the members of the Lok Sabha are the motions and no confidence is passed against the him and her in the Rajya Sabha. He, she cases and to be other members of the Lok Sabha. She is correct. Understanding of the office of the speakers. The speakers of the Lok Sabha is elected by the members of the Lok Sabha and hold office as long as they are the members of the Lok Sabha. The speakers does not have to resign if the ruling parties and loses the majority and because they are the expected to functions and impartially. However, the speaker must vacate and the office and if they the keys and to be other members of the Lok Sabha. Evaluating each options, he and she lose and the memberships of the ruling parties. She loses memberships of the ruling parties. The speaker is expected and to be the impartially and does not have to resign even if they lose and the memberships of the ruling parties. Example: GB Mavlankars and the Balram Jhakars and continued as the speakers even when there's the parties and lost and powers. The ruling parties loses its the majority in the Lok Sabhas and the speakers and does not lose office. If the ruling parties and loses the majority, the speakers remains in office until the next speaker is elected even if the government failed. She cases and to be other members of the Lok Sabha. If the speaker loses members of the Lok Sabha and due to the resignations and disqualifications or defeats in elections, they must and resigns because only the members of the Lok Sabha can be the speakers. A motion of no confidence passed होता है against himself in the राज्य सभा के द्वारा and the राज्य सभा has no roles लेती है in the speaker's removal करने के लिए. The speaker can be removed only by other resolution passed by the लोक सभा के द्वारा किया जाता है. आर्टिकल 1994 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में दिया गया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 देख लेते हैं. Consider the following statement regarding the President of India. The President can nominate 2 members to the Lok Sabha. The President can be the impeachment only on the grounds of the violating the Constitution. The President has the powers to pardon the punishment in case of the impeachment. If the which of the following statement are correct? Second is correct. Second is correct. The president can be the impeached only on the grounds of the violating the constitutions. President of India regarding explanations देख लेते हैं. Analysis statement first. Article 331 of the Indian Constitution allow the presidents to nominate 2 members of the Anglo-Indian communities करता है to the लोक सभा में if she feel and they are not the adequately represented. एडिक्यूटली वो रिप्रेजेंटेड नहीं होते. हाउ दिस प्रोविजंस वाज रिमूवल किया जाता है बाय द 104 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 2019 के द्वारा अफेक्टिव फॉर्म्स रहती हैं. आर्टिकल्स 25-20 सिंस द question does not specify whether the provision is still in force and we considers if historically correct. Article statement second में है. Article 61 state that the President of India can be the impeachment only on the grounds of the violations of the Constitution. The President is detailed and required a 3/3 majority में in both House of Parliament में एक बिल पेश करता है. No others the grounds पे such as corruptions, incapabilities or the misconducts are the mentions in the Constitution for impeachment. एनालिसिस थर्ड देख लेते हैं. इनकरेक्ट था. इम्पीचमेंट इज़ अदर पॉलिटिकल्स एंड प्रोसेस नॉट अदर क्रिमिनल्स पनिशमेंट मिलती है उसको एंड सो द कंसेप्ट ऑफ पार्डन्स क्षमा का रहता है आर्टिकल 72 में एंड डज नॉट अप्लाई. उस पर अप्लाई नहीं किया जाएगा क्रिमिनल पनिशमेंट में. द प्राइम मिनिस्टर कैन ग्रांट पार्डन्स ओनली इन द क्रिमिनल्स केसेस नॉट इन द केसेस रिलेटेड टू इम्पीचमेंट. Step 4 में eliminated incorrect option statement first is correct, second is correct, third is incorrect and fourth and second is correct, only second. Question number 5. Under which of the following circumstances does the government of other state cease and to hold the office? Under which of the following circumstances does the government of other state cease to the hold office? When the terms of the 5 years incompleted हो चुका है, if the president removes the government before the terms end, जब terms end होगा तब government का रिफॉर्मल आएगा। इफ़ अदर रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ इम्पीचमेंट इस पास्ड किया जाता है इन स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के द्वारा। स्टेट सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिविंग बिलो, सेकंड इज करेक्ट। सो इफ़ द प्रेसिडेंट रिमूव्स करता है द गवर्नमेंट बिफोर द टर्म्स एंड को, एक्सप्लेनेशंस देख लेते हैं। एनालिसिस फर्स्ट, व्हेन द टर्म्स ऑफ द 5 ईयर्स इज़ कम्प्लीटेड हो चुके हैं। अब आर्टिकल फर्स्ट इज़ इनकरेक्ट है, तो आर्टिकल 156(3) स्टेट दैट द गवर्नमेंट होल्ड ऑफिस फॉर अदर टर्म्स ऑफ 5 ईयर्स के लिए होल्ड किया जाता है, बट दिस डज नॉट एंड मीन्स द ऑटोमेटिकली रिमूवल किया जाता है आफ्टर 5 ईयर्स द्वारा, ये भी नहीं है। द गवर्नमेंट कंटिन्यूज टू होल्ड ऑफिस अंटिल अदर सक्सेसर इज़ अपॉइंटेड। जो गवर्नमेंट रहती है कंटिन्यूड होल्ड करती है ऑफिस को एंड अंटिल अदर सक्सेसर इज़ अपॉइंटेड के लिए द्वारा। देयर फॉर द कॉम्प्लीशन ऑफ 5 ईयर्स alone does not the lead to the cessations of offices and unless other successors is appointed किया जाता है। एनालाइज स्टेट सेकंड, इफ द प्रेसिडेंट रिमूव्स द गवर्नमेंट बिफोर द टर्म्स एंड। आर्टिकल 156 है, एक है स्टेट्स एंड दैट द गवर्नर्स होल्ड करता है ऑफिस को एंड ड्यूरिंग द प्लीजर्स ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट को द प्रेसिडेंट कैन रिमूव द गवर्नर इट एनी टाइम्स एंड बिफोर द कंप्लीटिंग द टर्म्स एंड विदाउट द अशीजनिंग एनी रीजन्स। दिस हैज़ हैपेंड इन मल्टीपल्स इंस्टेंस in Indian political history. Analysis statement third, if other resolutions of the impeachment is passed in the state legislative, incorrect. There is no the provisions in the constitution and for the impeachment of other governors and by the state legislative. The state legislative जो रहती है has no role in the removing the governor का, and the governors is appointed करता है and the removal only by the president के द्वारा। Eliminated incorrect options. Statement first is the particularly correct and but and not the sufficient for the removals. Statement second is correct. Statement third is incorrect. The only option that correctly included statement second and includes the statement third is क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देख लेते हैं। 6 which of the following is not the functions of the beep in the Indian Parliament? इशूइंग डायरेक्ट, इंडियन पार्लियामेंट का फंक्शंस कौन सा? इशूइंग डायरेक्टिव्स ऑन द पार्टीज वोटिंग इन पार्लियामेंट करती है, इशू करती है डायरेक्टिंग वोटिंग पार्टीज को। एंड टेकिंग द डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शंस अगेंस्ट द मेंबर्स हु वोलेटेड एंड द पार्टीज डायरेक्टिव्स। टेकिंग एंड डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शंस लेती अगेंस्ट मेंबर्स के द्वारा हु वोलेटेड द पार्टीज एंड डायरेक्टिव्स के द्वारा। एंड डी में इंश्योरिंग पार्टीज एंड द डिसिप्लिनरी इन द हाउस। इंश्योरिंग पार्टीज जो रहती हैं डिसिप्लिन इन द हाउस, तो सी इज़ इनकरेक्ट। प्रेसिडेंट ओवर द पार्लियामेंट्री सेशंस इन द अब्सेंस रहता ऑफ द स्पीकर्स, अब्सेंस नहीं रहता प्रेजेंट रहता है, क्योंकि प्रेसिडेंट्स ओवर द पार्लियामेंट्री सेशंस रहता है उसमें स्पीकर्स का होना प्रेजेंट होगा, तो सी इज़ इनकरेक्ट। एक्सप्लेनेशंस देख लेते हैं। President over the parliament session in the absence of the speakers. Understanding the roles of the whip and in the Indian parliament. The whip is the partisan official responsible for the ensuring parties and disciplines in the legislatures के डिसिप्लिन से रहता है और they issues the directive on the voting, ensures members attend the sessions and enforce the party's decisions in the houses. However, the whip does not have and the authorities and to the presides over and the parliamentary sessions में रहता है। Evaluating each and options क्या रहता है? Issuing the directives on parties and voting in the parliament. The whip directs and parties members of how to the vote and on key issues and members who the disobey and may face the disciplinary actions and including the dis and the qualifications under the anti-defections laws and 10th schedules taking disciplinary actions against the members who violated party's directives. The BIP reports and violations to the parties and leaderships, which can take and the disciplinary actions and warning the suspensions or the expulsions. However, the finance and the disciplinary actions is taken by the parties, leaderships and not the whip directly. The president over the parliamentary and sessions in the absence of the speakers. The whip has no roles and in the proceedings over the parliament. In the absence of the speakers, the deputy speakers and or other designated members of the panel of the chairperson president. Ensuring parties and the disciplinary. खाओ खाओ रोका रहा हो तो तन्नू खाओ खाओ
चलो जाओ
कल कल का खावा उन्हें
वो तो वो खा रहा है चिप्स
खाओ खा लो भूख लग रही है उसको
नहीं पड़ रखा वो कूलर चलते रहेंगे
अब यार वो बिस्कुट फेंक दे जी सामने कुत्ता खाओ कहीं The beep has no role in the presiding over parliament. In the absence of the speaker and the deputy speakers and or other designations, members of the panel of chairperson presides, ensuring parties and discipline in the houses. The beep and the ensures parties and the members and follow parties. मत करे मत बोल मैं कर दूँगी मत कर मैं लगा दूँगी मत लगा मैं लगा लाऊँगी The function that is not and the performed and by the whip is the presidings over the parliament sessions in the absence. Question number 7. Which of the following is R? Mandatory and the parliamentary and committees under the constitutions. Public account and committee, estimated committee and the committee on the public undertakings. Joint committee on the salaries and allowance. Select the correct answer using the code giving below. None of them. Understanding parliamentary and committee and parliamentary and the committee in India are the classified into the standing committee and ad hoc and the committee and some and the committee are the constitutional acts explicitly and mentions in the constitution while others the statutory and or the established through the parliamentary and produced the constitutions and does not the mandate any the specific parliamentary committee and but provided and for their the formation under the parliamentary rules. Evaluating each committee, public accounts committee and PAC and not other constitutionals and mandate but and the essentials financial committees and it is the examine government expenditures and audits report is the controllers and the auditors general CAG and perform under the parliamentary rule and not exciting the required and by the constitutions. Hey! Constitution estimated and the committee. चलो बाहर चले जाओ. लग गई जो समझ नहीं आ रही यार. Not other constitution mandate but the larger and financial committee of the parliament the examination budget and estimated and the efficiency of spendings forms under the parliamentary procedures and not under the constitution. Committee on the public and the undertaking COPU examines the workings of the public sectors undertaking the PSUS and not other constitutional mandate and form through the parliamentary rules. Joint Committee on the Salaries and Allowances deals and with the salaries and allowances of MPs की रहती है, not other constitution mandate established by the parliamentary rules. Identified the correct answer. None of the givings and the committees and are the mandated by the constitution. They are all the formed and under the parliamentary rules and the conventions and not through the direct constitutional provisions of India. Consider the following statement about the powers of the judicial reviews in India. The Supreme Court and can strike down and any and the law. Any the laws and that and the violate and the basic structures of the constitutions. The judiciary review in India is the borders than in the USA. The Supreme Court alone has the powers of the judicial review. Which of the following statement are correct? First and second is correct. एक्सप्लेनेशंस देख लेते हैं. कौन 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 उतर आरती दीदी कहाँ ये आरती दीदी ले चल अपन दूध गरम कर ले तुम्हारे लिए कर ले. Analyzes the statement. The Supreme Court can strike and tear down and any the law and that the violates the basic structures of the constitution. The basic structures and the doctrine was established in the Keshwananda Bharati case in 1973. The Supreme Court has the powers the judicial review and can strike down any the law or the constitution amendment that the violation the basic structures of the constitution. This doctrine prevented the parliament from the amending the constitution in other ways that destroy it is the fundamental principles. Analysis judicial reviews in India is broader than in the US. Judicial review in India is broader than in the USA because in India's judicial review applied and to the law applied to laws and the executive actions. चल नीचे चल. The Indian judicial review applied and to law the executive action and constitution amendment and even the policies if and they the violate. They the violate Constitution provision in the USA and the Supreme Court.